Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 76 of Building the Tumbler. In this issue, we're dealing with that air vent that we built last time. We're putting the flap onto it. Crossover vehicles. I'm not sure who we're crossing over with. Judge Death. Oh, right, okay. Interesting. I wasn't aware of a 2000 AD Batman crossover. It's quite interesting. Yeah, there you go. Justice League of America, obviously JLA. Good stuff there. All about that. If you want to read the words, I'm not reading the words. I'm just looking at the pictures. Yes, this we have our left intake flap. Interesting. So we've got to fit that on there. Got a pin, and then screws, obviously, to hold it onto the intake that we were dealing with last time. So that's all good stuff. Let's get that done. Yeah, I'm not going to even think about where that might fit onto the thing because I've got no idea at all. Next time we have got the left wing actuators, which are obviously going to be something to do with this bit. Go through there. I'm sure this isn't going to be powered, but it's just going to be held in place by those. But that is the next delivery. This is the last of this month's pack. So I'll get this out of the way and we'll get it built. So here we are. From last time, we've got this air intake. This time we've got these pieces, which is quite an interesting way of holding it together. We've got more CM screws that obviously I'll be using this time. In here should be a pin. Yep, there we go. Just one, probably plastic, feels plastic pin with a little flat side. So this is going onto there. There is already a pin sticking out of that bit there, which should just go into there. Yeah, there we go. So that goes in there like that. And then this pin will go through this side, hold the other side together. Once you get that lined up, an easy slide into there, and that gives us this flap side, and that is being fitted onto here. Got to go that way round, and that's how that is. So that's then got that movement, but I don't think we're going to be using the movement, but it's an option. That's that. So we need 2 of these CM screws to hold that in there. And then I can put this aside for another month until the next delivery arrives, which I would assume is going to certainly start off with. Well, it's got the actuators for this one next week because we know about that from the magazine. I'm then assuming that we're going to be doing another 3 issues of doing the same thing again. So it's going to be much like this issue, this month's delivery was an issue or 2 of something new, and then doing what we've done this month again to the other side. So my hope is they one issue with the actuators, and then what we've got, another issue of fitting the grill to the air vent, and then fitting the flap, and then the actuators. So the 2 more issues of hopefully attaching these and maybe getting the other framework together. But that's that. I'll put my screwdriver away for another build. And that's what we've got so far. This is obviously going to attach on these points down here. But yeah, as to exactly where, I don't know. But we'll figure it out when it tells us time next time. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying the build. Do come back for other builds in the meantime, but I'll see you in about a month for the next one of these. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.